This video introduces the all-new Mac Mini in a playful and engaging way, bringing the small but powerful desktop to life as a character. The Mac Mini playfully escapes from its box, remarking on its compact design while demonstrating impressive capabilities. The character of the Mac Mini humorously compares itself to its older model and emphasizes its versatility. It's shown quickly and efficiently handling tasks like app building, browser tab management, iPhone integration, gaming, music production, and multitasking. With the Apple M2 chip, it breezes through operations, allowing users to connect multiple displays and multitask effortlessly. Throughout, the Mac Mini's character showcases its user-friendly interface, Apple's intelligent software, and a broad scope of functionality that makes it a great tool for creative and professional tasks alike. The video highlights how this desktop, though small, offers immense power and versatility, designed to handle a diverse range of activities from productivity to entertainment. This introduction of the Mac Mini, delivered in a lighthearted, conversational manner, emphasizes its power, compactness, and Apple's commitment to continuous innovation, making it a unique offering for modern users seeking an efficient, versatile desktop solution. In this video, we dive into Apple's highly anticipated M4 Mac Mini, examining whether it truly lives up to the game-changer label. Apple has refreshed its compact desktop with a sleeker design, an advanced cooling system, and the powerful M4 chip. Here's what the new M4 Mac Mini brings to the table for creators, developers, and everyday users alike. 1. Design and aesthetics ****. The M4 Mac Mini takes Apple's compact design further, offering a modern, refined look that fits seamlessly into any workspace. This new design is not only visually appealing, but is also engineered to blend functionality with aesthetics, making it suitable for offices, home setups, or creative studios. 2. Enhanced cooling system ****. A common complaint from users of older models was noise due to overheating under heavy use. Apple addressed this by improving the cooling system, ensuring quiet operation even during intensive tasks like video editing, coding, and gaming. This is a valuable upgrade for professionals who need a distraction-free environment. 3. Performance with the M4 chip ****. The heart of the M4 Mac Mini is its M4 chip, based on cutting-edge 3nm architecture, which enables faster processing, enhanced efficiency, and significantly improved graphics. It can handle demanding tasks, from 4K video editing to 3D rendering, while remaining energy efficient, ideal for creators and developers needing a long-lasting machine with minimal power consumption. 4. Personalization with color options ****.